Hello friends, we are asked to name the compound. This is an organic compound. Before I start to give you the tips that are involved to name this compound, I want to share a relevant information to you. And it may be relevant to you or your relative or your friends, right? If you have been writing these past exams without having good results, we Supercell Academy as well as the Wisdom Syndicate hereby inform you that we'll give you a perfect tips how to write these past exams so that you can have excellent results. So if you are interested, you can PV us so that let us discuss about it. So how we should name this compound? Firstly, identify the parent chain. This is the parent chain. 1, 2, 3. Right? It contains 3 carbon. So these 3, according to the prefix, is what? Prop. After you have done that, identify the functional group of this compound. The functional group is what? Alkane. The functional group is what? Alkane. It contains what? 3 carbons, which is what? Prop. Do we get in it? Prop. But after I've identified the parent chain, you numbered the parent chain. But in this case, anywhere you start to label or to number this parent chain, it will give you the same name. So it starts here 1, 2, 3. So under carbon number 2, there are substituents. This is methyl, which is what? Organic substituent. While this is what? Chlorine, which is inorganic. So the concept here, when you have different groups, you name the inorganic group firstly before what? The organic. So we name this 2-chloro. Then why 2? Because under carbon number 2 there is a what? A chlorine. So you go for the next one. Carbon number 2 there is a what? A methyl. So 2-methyl. Then the parent chain is what? 3. So we say propane. Why the ANE? Because this compound, it is made up of what? A single bonded atoms. So 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane.